करनौ निध आवे ताए सब थाए
मैं जीवन को तेरे लाइफ के अंदर भेजता हूं, लाइफ नॉट डेथ।
ठीक होना चाहते हो निकल जाओ, छोड़ो छोड़ो फ्री। सूखी हड्डियों में जान आ जाएगी।
जॉइंटिस हो जाता है बार बार।
फ्री यार
जो अंग, जो सेल, जो कोई चीज आपकी बॉडी में मिस है, होली स्पिरिट आपकी बॉडी के अंदर डाल दे आज।
आज मेरे बहुत ज्यादा दर्द थी, मुझसे बैठा भी नहीं जा रहा था।
और चल के देखिए आप।
Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Digdal before you. India is home to some of the oldest settlements of Christians, with the southern part of India having maximum of them. However, in north too, the number of Christians have increased due to increased missionary activities. Punjab has also seen its fair share of Christian conversions like all other states. For the outer world, Punjab may seem as a commonly community dominated by Sikh faith, food, music, philosophy and folk dances. But according to the Punjab religion census of 2011, Sikh constitute a majority religion in the state with approximately 58% of the share. Hindus are 38%, Muslims 2% and Christians 1.26%. However, media reports and Christian leaders argue that the actual number of faith followers is between 10 to 15%. The big gap in the calculation has emerged from the fact that the converts originally belonged to vulnerable communities such as Dalits. The converts keep their original identity to enjoy the benefits of reservation and miss out on their current religion in the census. Christianity in Punjab is not new, as it entered the state back in 1834 and has stayed as a socio-cultural force. The initial set of Christian in Punjab was predominantly urban literates and socially diverse. However, the focus of the present-day conversions is specifically on the large population of marginalized population of Dalits and other vulnerable caste groups. Mass conversion movement of rural Dalits transformed a predominantly urban community of Christians into a rural and backward community. The reason behind the community being backwards is a relatively forward state is due to the conversions of Dalits. The converts inherit their past identities and follow customs, traditions and lifestyles as they did in their previous religion. Dalits and Valmiki Hindus along with the Mazhabi Sikhs are converting to Christianity in large numbers as they believe their original religions do not provide them with solace as Christianity does. Dalits and Valmiki Hindus allege that their communities still suffer the consequences of the rigid caste structure. The surprising case is that of Mazhabi Sikhs who have already converted from Hinduism and gone to Sikhism. Sikhism preached as the religion of equality. However, the story is different on ground. In rural areas especially, where many gurdwaras of various denominations can be seen in a single village such as Ravidas Gurdwara, Jat Gurdwara and Mazhabi Sikh Gurdwara. In reality, Sikhism is not an equalizing religion as the upper caste Jats look down upon the Mazhabi Sikhs and treat them differently. Such discrimination has become a root cause of Mazhabi Sikhs to leave the Sikh faith behind and embrace the Christianity. The Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, the SGPC, came to take notice of conversions in 2012 when 40 Mazhabi Sikhs converted to Christianity in Tarantaran district. The then head of Akal Takht, Sardar Harpreet Singh, said that there is no doubt that the followers of the Christian faith are increasing. However, the pressing issue is that it needed attention of Hindu and Sikh communities to analyze why Dalits, Valmiki, Hindus and Mazhabi Sikhs were leaving their religions. Church preachers fill the vacuum left by other religions and introduce vulnerable groups to a new religion and faith of Christianity. Hindu and Sikh organizations allege that these preachers take in people on the pretense of healing the sick, bringing back the dead and so on. The allegations have also led to violent clashes as Punjab witnessed a series of clashes and protests between Christians and the radical Nihang Sikh communities in November 2022. Earlier in August, a Catholic church was vandalized and a car of church functionary was set on fire in Patti, Tarantaran. The recent conversions have created a scenario of communal hatred in Punjab as Christian groups are targeting vulnerable communities. Moreover, the distorted number of Christians on census data leads to misinformation as the converted communities retain their original identity in documents to avail the benefits of reservation. Hindu and Sikh organizations allege that the missionaries use monetary influence to lure people from vulnerable communities. There have been videos circulating widely on social media sites of people being cured miraculously of their diseases as soon as they embrace Christianity. It is believed that almost all villages have one or two converted Christian families in Punjab. Over 65,000 missionaries are active in the state. The conversions have severely impacted social relations as people from other religions see converted Christians as unfaithful towards their own religion. The demographics change in state of Punjab has become starkly apparent as the population has increased by 14% since the last census in 2011. With the population growth, there has also been a rise in religious denominations such as notable decrease in a number of Sikhs from previous 59% to recent 57% is visible. The decrease in Sikh population has ultimately added to the population of Christians in Punjab. Another impact of rampant Christianization has been the appropriation of the social landscape of Christian missionaries have designed churches on the lines of Sikh gurdwaras to attract people from other religions. The pastors and the church leaders have also composed songs praising Jesus on the lines of Sikh Kirtan. The cultural appropriation being done by church is putting the practices of the Sikh and Hindu faiths in dilemma. A case in point is that of Khambra village of Jalandhar district, where Pastor Ankur Narula has taken up the responsibility of converting others by setting up Ankur Narula Ministry. The Church of Signs and Wonders has become a prime example of rapid conversion as establishment has gone from having 3 members in 2008 to having more than 3 lakh members in 2022. Technology is developing at an unprecedented pace, and so the population is getting accustomed to its usage. The Christian missionaries operating in Punjab are carefully utilizing its social media and having a considerable presence on the various social media applications such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. The accounts share videos of people healing from illness, treating deaf or hard of hearing, and individuals who used a wheelchair getting up and running. Such videos have been used to propagate the powers of alleged healers. Church leaders also share information about Sunday masses on social media and invite people to join prayer. The extensive presence of social media signifies the deep pockets that Christianity has managed to get in the past few decades. Most of the Twitter accounts has joined only recently in 2020 when the pandemic struck the world. The lockdown allowed missionaries to target the poor by distributing food grains and other essential items. After the withdrawal of lockdown measures, the footfall at various churches in Punjab drastically increased as people have come in contact with others. The reaction from authority figures of Sikh and Hindu communities has been abysmal at the most. As elucidated in the above section, the main reason behind the increase in the rate of conversions in the social inequality in the Sikh religion. In recent times, the SDPC, the temporal authority of the Sikh religion, has failed to bring together Sikhs from all backgrounds due to its political motives. The overindulgence of political parties in the religious matters has distorted the events revolving around the conversion. The program started by the SDPC, where Sikh Jathedar goes door to door and preaches the Sikh way of life, has not achieved success as Christian leaders have recently filled the vacuum left by these preachers. Hindu leaders are also yet to take heed of the matter. Need of the hour is to make the vulnerable groups feel equal with other members of the community without any discrimination. The social inequalities in terms of different gurdwaras for Sikhs and Dalit Sikhs have sparked the debate around Sikh religion and its adherents being casteist. Dalits, Mazhabi Sikhs, Valmiki Hindus and all other communities should be given the same respect and stature in the society as it helps maintain harmonious social relations. Christian leaders are taking advantage of a broken society infested by casteism and inequality and converting people rapidly. The issue is not with the Christian religion as the Indian constitution gives freedom to propagate religion. However, how church groups and pastors appropriate other religions and cultures severely threatens their existence. Sikhism was created on the rhetoric of establishing a casteless society. However, no religion in the Indian subcontinent has survived without its caste characteristics. The SGPC, Akal Takht and other Hindu organizations must act together to contain the society's mass conversion of the lower strata. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.